Hey guys, my name is Aniket and welcome to the Python course. So we will be learning Python, which is a programming language. And what is a programming language first of all? So programming language is basically how you talk to a computer, like Hindi. You talk to a person in Hindi or English or Tamil or whatever your regional language is, or you don't have a regional language, not a problem. So it's basically a way to communicate to computers. So we will be learning that. Like there are many programming languages like C++, Java, Basic. Python is one of them, and Python is great. You can build amazing stuff from Python. So this is kind of me. We will be teaching you this. So Python does have a profile picture, which is kind of cool. Every programming language has a DP. So programmers are kind of artists in the sense, sort of. Moving on. Why Python? Python is simple, it's easy to learn, it's fun to use, it is easy and you can learn it pretty quickly and get stuff from it pretty quickly. And it's also like very compatible. Like Python is used in data science and machine learning and also in building cool stuff. So what will be learning? So there's like a content chart. So let me explain you what it is. So Python 3, it's actually Python. There's two versions that come in Python. There's Python 2 and Python 3. Python 3 is the new one. Python 2 is like it has been there for a while, but it is not used anymore because there's no support for it. There's no updates for that language. But Python 3 has getting updates and it has a very large community. So what we'll be doing, I will be introducing to the course. I will be your mentor for the course. We will learn to code out stuff using ProGate, and for practice exercises we will be doing projects. We will be making great stuff from this language, and at last I will be telling you how to do a setup and installation on your local machine, that is your computer. If you don't have a good computer, or you don't have a computer, or sort of like not a very powerful one, it's fine. For the practice exercises, we will be using an online platform known as Rebel. So you can code it out there. It will not be a problem. It will all be great. So what is Python? I have told you it's a programming language. So rather than explaining you the theory about how it works and all, let's first just go out and code something. So the first syntax here is the print. So what does print do? Like it prints on the screen, it gives you an output, you give it an input such as here, like let me go back. So here it is, like print, what do you want to print? So can he notice here there are the codes here. So anything inside codes tells the Python, tells the computer to print exactly what's inside the codes. So let me show you how it's done. So we are on Rebel, okay. So like to do a print, or just to tell computer to do a print, to print something on the screen, we could use print quotations. Like why quotations? That is, I will tell you that in the further videos, that why we use quotation, not just a simple number. But let's focus on the codes and on the print statement right now. So the print is here, hello world, and we just run it here. So see, we got hello world printed. It can be literally anything. You can print anything pretty much. My name is, or anything, man, whatever. Like I study here and I am learning Python. Hit on run, and the computer will do it. That's all for the print statement. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.